Muslim boys' names starting with A, part number 3, with meanings in English. Alhadi, meaning who shows the path, guide. Origin Urdu. Altaf, meaning kindness, graces. Origin Arabic. Altamash, meaning army chief. Origin Turkish. Altin, meaning golden. Origin Turkish. Aoolf, meaning very friendly, very familiar. Origin Arabic. Aluk, meaning messenger, ambassador. Origin Arabic. Alvah, meaning excellent. Origin Arabic. Alvaan, meaning exquisite, excellent. Origin Arabic. Amaan, meaning protection, without fear. Origin Arabic. Amanat, meaning trust. Origin Arabic. Amahal, meaning hope, expectation. Origin Arabic. Amaam, meaning safety. Origin Urdu. Aman, meaning safety. Origin Arabic. Amazir, meaning brave. Origin Arabic. Ameen, meaning trustworthy. Origin Arabic. Ameer, meaning ruler, leader. Origin Arabic. Amar, meaning order. Origin Arabic. Ameeri, meaning head, leader. Origin Arabic. Amjad, meaning good-hearted human, pious. Origin Arabic. Anees, meaning sympathetic, loving. Origin Arabic. Aneeq, meaning rare, precious, beautiful. Origin Arabic. Anjum, meaning star. Origin Arabic. Anush, meaning eternal. Origin Persian. Ansub, meaning suitable, reasonable. Origin Arabic. Ansaar, meaning assistant, supporting, sympathetic. Origin Arabic. Anwar, meaning brightness. Origin Arabic. Anwar, meaning very bright. Origin Arabic. Aud, meaning alternative, compensation. Origin Arabic. Aka, meaning master. Origin Arabic. Aqdas, meaning pure, very clean. Origin Arabic. Akish, meaning helper. Origin Arabic. Aqlim, meaning country, empire. Origin Arabic. Akmar, meaning shining. Origin Urdu. Aqwa, meaning strong. Origin Arabic. Aram, meaning silence. Origin Persian. Arang, meaning color. Origin Persian. Arastu, Aristotle, meaning an ancient Greek philosopher. Origin Persian. Arbab, meaning one who raises, supporter. Origin Arabic. Arbad, meaning strong, durable. Origin Arabic. Arib, meaning wise. Origin Urdu. Arham, meaning merciful. Origin Urdu. Arham, meaning most merciful. Origin Arabic. Arjan, meaning tree. Origin Persian. Arjumand, meaning great, lovely. Origin Persian. Arkhun, meaning leader. Origin Arabic. Arman, meaning soldier. Origin Persian. Armagan, meaning gift, donation. Origin Urdu. Armun, meaning oath. Origin Persian. Arkam, meaning author. Origin Arabic. Arsal, meaning thing which was sent. Origin Persian. Disclaimer: this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby. Thank you very much for joining me. Please like and share this video tutorial. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. I Factner.